Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the export fail problem in VLLO using a few simple and effective solutions. Now export issues in VLLO can happen for several reasons like storage limits, export settings, ads not loading or app glitches. So let's go through one by one. First, make sure to check your device storage. If your phone does not have enough free space, VLLO may fail to export the video. Make sure you have sufficient storage available, especially if you are exporting in high QHD or 4K quality. Then also make sure to review your export settings. Within the VLLO app, make sure to open an existing project. Within it, tap on export button at the top right corner. Under the video option, try lowering the resolutions or frame rate slightly. For example, you can just switch from 4K to high or from 60 FPS to 30 and then try exporting again. If you are using the free version, VLLO may require you to watch an ad before exporting. Make sure your internet connection is stable. As for me, it is successfully saved. Another important step is to restart the app. You can completely close VLLO from the recent apps, then reopen it and try exporting again. If the issue still happens, you can just go to your phone app setting, then find VLLO and clear the cache. This is only suitable within the Android. This helps remove temporary files that may be causing the export issues. Finally, make sure that your VLLO is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. Within the App Store or Play Store, tap VLLO. And if there is update available, make sure to update it, as updates often fix export related bugs. If none of this work, you can just contact the VLLO customer support directly from the app for further help, and that's how you can fix the VLLO export fail problems easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.